In this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture without losing likes on Facebook, and I'm using an Android device for this. So first, let's go to Facebook, and then let's tap on the menu button, which is at the right, and then let's tap on your profile, and then let's tap on the camera button on your profile picture. Let's select profile picture, the bottommost option, and then let's go to uploads. And once you're there, you could select the profile picture which already has a like, in this case the typewriter one, and then click save. Let's refresh it, and if you scroll down to your timeline, you will see that it retains the like on that picture. And that is how you change your profile picture without losing the likes. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.